everybody, welcome to another episode of Cupcake.
Nice.
Today is going to be a little bit different today. It's actually going to be Cupcake Kids instead of Cupcake Cows. So I'm going to do a whole little playlist and that's going to be dedicated everything kids. Kids today and kids out there, big kids as well. We're going to make Fruit Loop cupcakes. Maybe not the type of Fruit Loop cupcakes that you're thinking of. We're going to make them without any oven cooking whatsoever.
We're going to make them in a minute.
Don't steal off of somebody else.
It's so
So we are going to make these in a real jiffy. So let's get to it, guys. Okay, for the ingredients today, you will need your Fruit Loops, or I think they're called loops if you buy the home brand. And you will want approximately about 6 cups in your master bowl. You will want to leave some of your Fruit Loops behind as well, and they're going to be for our decorations. Or a 12 cupcake tin, a bag of marshmallows, and these marshmallows are about 100 grams, I think, yeah, 100 grams. And we'll want approximately about 50 grams of margarine as well. And you'll also want your cooking spray to spray your tin with, because we're not going to be using the paper. Okay, and we're not using paper liners today, kids, because why, Mackenzie? Why do you think that we're not going to use the paper cupcakes?
Because it sticks to the paper. The mix sticks to the paper.
Yes, absolutely. So we're going to put them straight into our greased pan. All right, who's excited? Let's get cooking without an oven. Yay! And to top off our Fruit Loop cupcakes today, we are going to make a version of butter frosting, but our frosting is going to have 100 grams of margarine, a little bit of milk, your icing sugar, 1 piping tip from Wilton, and our piping bag. And that's all to it. It's relatively very easy. We're just going to mix them all together, so let's get going. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to open up our marshmallow packet. And Benny, do you want to do that for Mummy?
Yeah.
And I need you to open it up and then pour all the marshmallows into our microwave safe bowl. Can you do that for me? Mackenzie, I want you to get our margarine and I want you to pop it into the bowl as well, because we are going to melt them down together. Just dip it all in, Benjamin. That's it. Look at that marshmallow man. There's no survivors. Quick. Okay. Great.
Now just put this in.
They did wash their hands before they started cooking. Now with our margarine and our marshmallows, we're going to pop this into the microwave on 30-second bursts. Why do you think that we don't go over 30-second bursts, kids? Yes, Benjamin.
It'll burn up and then it'll melt the marshmallows.
Yeah, well, we wanted to melt the marshmallows, but we don't want to go over the boiling point of marshmallows, because then what colour do they turn?
Red.
I don't know what marshmallows. Okay, guys, I'll just put it in the microwave for 30 seconds and we'll just come back to. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, guys, so we've just pulled this out of the microwave after 1 round of 30 seconds. And can you already see
It's all slimy.
what's happening? It's already turning into...
The marshmallows are dissolving.
That's right, into the butter.
still
Oh, it's like goo now, isn't it?
Ew, it's turning green in the bowl.
It's turning green.
It smells like heat.
It smells like heat. There you go. You got a few smell. If you don't have smell-o-vision, the children are trying to tell you exactly.
It smells like batter.
It smells like butter?
Really good batter.
Really good. Okay. So we've just mixed that up. Kenzie, do you want to finish that for me?
Yep.
What we need to do really quickly is try and
grind it?
stir it very, very gently though, because when we have our marshmallow mix in here in a minute, we don't want to break up the Fruit Loops, do we?
It's going to turn all gooey.
Yeah, but we don't want to break the Fruit Loops, do we? So we have to be really, really gently, so.
Okay.
Like so, okay. How's this glue going? Alright, Mackenzie, do you want to pour it in for me?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll show everybody the goo. Ew.
Oh wow, it looks like bathroom.
Yep, that's it.
So I mix it now.
Scrape it all down, Kenz.
It's getting heated.
Good job.
The ball is getting warm.
Oh, yum.
Oh,
That's it. Okay, Benny, working very, very quickly. Good job, Kenz. Thank you. Do you want me to help you? Yeah. We'll scoop it all off the bottom.
Oh, I was going to get the excess.
Okay. That's all right.
Only got a little bit.
We might have had to get a bigger bowl, hey, Benny?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, but that goo is so good.
Slimy.
And if you love Fruit Loops, you'll be smelling Fruit Loopia at the moment.
Oh yeah, it smells
Fruitopia.
like sugar. Oh, it smells like sugar.
It smells like sugar.
A lot.
Yeah. And that's going to be perfect and ready to go into our tin. And I'm going to ask Mackenzie to spray that for me. Yeah, so I would love it if you could get all the inside just really, really quickly. And then we're going to come along.
That's good.
Yeah, we're going to come along and we are going to spoon the mixture into our spray. Just gentle, Kenz.
It's making smart.
Kenz. Oh, maybe I should have told you.
A bit too much. You like my work?
Is all the smoke gone? Okay, so all together, I'm going to put the bowl into the middle. All together, we're going to spoon these up until they're about level. Okay, guys, you think that we can all do that?
Yeah.
So choose a case where you want to put yours in. Get into a Kenz.
I just don't want to I don't want to put the stickiness on it.
Fine. All good. There we go. Oh, just gently, Benny.
Never mind.
Is pop them into our refrigerator for approximately about an hour, so that it has a little bit of time for the marshmallow goop and the Fruit Loops and set up well. I'll just come along and I'll do some of yours. Looks like we might have lots of Fruit Loops over here, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We might have to do a giveaway of Fruit Loops. A giveaway.
That's really good. That's excellent.
Butter.
Oh, yum. Okay, guys. That's your ending result. Okay, guys. So while our Fruit Loops are in the refrigerator for 1 hour, you have got time to clean up. And then you can come back and make your wonderful frosting, which we have done during that time. So Kenzie is just about to have a first try at placing the icing into the piping bag. Now this might be a little bit messy, but give it a go. That's it.
Anyway.
I can do that for you.
Looks like it's very...
I'm your assistant here. And make sure that, here Benny, you can do this for your sister. Make sure that you're holding it out. So just hold your hand in a circle so that the bag sits over your fingers like so. That's perfect. And just give it a little bit of a jiggle. And then Kenzie will be able to come and push that frosting all the way down. Perfect. Give it a little bit of a shake.
Shake.
Shake. Oh, we're shaking, Benny. Shake. Shake. Oh, open up our fingers again. Perfect. Not all the way down, Kenz. I know what's happening here. One sec, I'll do that again. There we go. That's better. Okay, we've got our frosting into our bag thanks to Kenzie and Benjamin's efforts. And we're just going to pop it into a cup so that we can hold it there and wait for our Fruit Loops to come out of the refrigerator. So it's nice and cool, and then we can have some Fruit Loops. Hi guys, we're back and we've just popped these out of the refrigerator. They've been in there for almost an hour. Maybe we took them out a little bit too soon, but they have firmed up so well, and this is the end result of them being in the refrigerator.
They're nice little balls.
Aren't they lovely? And Kenzie did such a good job of spraying it that we're able to scoop out our Fruit Loops
all together.
Yeah, all together. So they didn't even move, did they? And look at that, a clean tin. Now that's what you want. Chef Mackenzie, good job. High fives. Good job all around, guys. Okay, so all we have to do now is
put the frosting on and then Fruit Loops in the fridge.
And the Fruit Loops. Okay, so they've got their little jobs for today. Just into little circles, making sure that you're holding the top so it doesn't come out. Okay, off you go. I'll just be the one eating it. That's
Beautiful.
it, good girl. Just little bits, little bits.
That's beautiful.
But if you want to, Mackenzie, I'm going to teach you how to do a bit of a quick little swirl design, and you can have that sitting on top of your cupcakes. You want to try that?
Yeah.
There we go. So, perfect. Good job. No, that's good. Keep going.
That's not bad.
Okay, Benny, do you want to come around this side, and you can start this side, and you can come and pop some of those leftover Fruit Loops that we've had, and just drizzle them on top. That's it. Good girl. Oh, good job, Benny. Yep. Perfect. Oh, they look so yummy.
I'm not gonna risk it.
Fruit Loop cupcakes for breakfast.
Nice. A good energy bar.
Good energy bar.
/ cupcakes.
Maybe not every single day, but maybe for one morning.
Yay. That'd be awesome.
That's really good. That's lovely. I'll let you keep going. My little cupcakes watching back out there. These are our Fruit Loop cupcakes for today. It's no more than 3 ingredients. One being the Fruit Loops, marshmallows, and just a little bit of margarine or butter. You don't even actually need the frosting on top. The frosting was an added extra. So, what did you think, guys?
I loved it.
I loved it too.
Special effects.
Very, very special thanks to my lovely little helpers, Benny and Mackenzie today. Thank you guys so much. Otherwise, I wouldn't be able to make Fruit Loop cupcakes without you. Thank you to my cameraman as well. There's one more thing that we have to do.
What is that?
What do you think it might be?
Mystery ingredient.
The mystery ingredient. We don't have any mystery ingredients. You know that the most important part of the video is to have a taste of what we've made. So let's have a try. Oh, I'm going to go for this bad boy out here.
I'm going to go for
Oh, they're firmed up really hard. They're nice.
They're good. I like it a lot.
Oh, they're really...
so much flavour.
We're like those judges of the just desserts.
Yes, Master Chef. These are really soft,
Crunchy.
very crunchy and very soft. They're not very soft at all. Having a bit of a think about when they actually come out, and I thought, oh, these are going to be really firm and too hard to eat, and my dentures are not going to hold up.
But these are
no, they've held up very well. In fact, would you like a taste back at home? There you go. Let's
Nom,
get
nom,
on.
nom.
This is really delicious. You should have it for breakfast, but you didn't hear it from me, kids. Make sure that you ask Mummy, Daddy, anyone. I would love to try the Fruit Loop cupcakes that I saw on Cupcake Kel. Very easy to do, and for all of those kid adults as well. They're quite fun as well. I hope that you've enjoyed spending time with us. Thank you again for my lovely little helpers. And for all of you that are asking, Benny and Mackenzie actually have got their own channels as well. So I'll leave the links down the bottom. You can click them, show them some support. Benny's is Fishing Benny. He likes a little bit of outdoors fishing. And Mackenzie loves Roblox, so she's all about the gaming. So once again, I'll leave those links down the bottom. Feel free to go and visit them. I'm sure that they'll love it as well. But thank you so much, guys, for all your support and all your comments. I hope that you have enjoyed today. And I can't wait until we come back next time for Cupcake Kids and we make another yummy cupcake in the kitchen. Okay, bye guys.
So we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Hello Cupcake Kids, we hope that you really enjoyed that episode, and if you did, give us a thumbs up, maybe hit that subscribe button and comment down below with what you would love to see us make next for you. Bye! This episode was not endorsed by Kellogg's, but Kellogg's, if you are listening, hit that subscribe button.